Hi guys, as you know, this week we are going to celebrate Good Hair Week. बहुत से लोग ऐसे हैं जो घर से काम कर रहे हैं, ऑनलाइन काम कर रहे हैं, but there's no reason why you should not look amazing on screen. जैसे स्किन आपकी अगर बहुत अच्छी कंडीशन में हो तो कोई भी मेकअप सूट करता है, वैसे ही अगर बाल आपके अच्छे कंडीशन में हो, अच्छे क्वालिटी के हों तो कोई भी हेयर स्टाइल सूट करता है। बालों को एंजॉय करने के लिए हम बहुत सी स्टाइलिंग करते हैं, बहुत से प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ करते हैं, बहुत से इलेक्ट्रिक गैजेट्स यूज़ करते हैं, केमिकल्स यूज़ करते हैं, ब्लीच यूज़ करते हैं, लेकिन उनको अच्छी कंडीशन में मेंटेन करने के लिए 3 चीज़ें जो हैं मेरी थंब रूल्स हैं। 1, a regular trim, 2, a good shampoo and 3, a good conditioner. शैम्पू की चॉइस जो है वो आप अगर आपके बाल कलर्ड हैं, so Tresemme shampoo has just come up with the Revitalize Color shampoo, जिसमें कैमेलिया ऑयल है और इट्स अ सल्फेट, वेरी लो ऑन सल्फेट शैम्पू, जिसके वजह से आपकी जो वाइब्रेंसी है कलर की वो 8 वीक्स तक लॉक रहती है। And if you are using heat stylers etc., so it's best to use Tresemme shampoo for frizz-free hair. It's called Keratin Smooth and it keeps your hair really smooth because it has keratin and argan oil which keeps it in top shape and frizz-free. अगर आपने वॉश करने के बाद आपको बॉडी चाहिए बालों में तो यू कैन जस्ट लुक डाउन एंड आप यूं करके अपने बाल जो हैं ड्राई करें, चाहे वो आप टॉवल से कर रहे हैं, चाहे आप पंखे में कर रहे हैं, चाहे आप हेयर ड्रायर के साथ कर रहे हैं. इफ़ यू ड्राई इट डाउन and then when you push it up then you get a lot of body. So there's another quick way of doing your hair. We will take all of this up and use hairspray. So basically very loosely we just sprayed a little bit to give the roots a little bit of lift. उसके बाद में ये जो पोनी टेल है इसको बिल्कुल मैं टाइटली ट्विस्ट कर रही हूँ using just a little bit of spray or setting lotion or whatever you like, some gel, mousse, जो भी आपके घर में है, and then really twist it to the end and then let it coil over. और फिर आप इस तरह के किसी क्लिप के साथ आप उसको होल्ड कर लें या जूड़े की पिन भी आप कर सकते हैं. And when you open it up and you see a really nice volume, bounce in the front and top and then slight curls at the end. I will show you a few tools so that you know how to use them and what effect you can get with which tool. So a rotating hot brush is very nice to use at home. It's very simple. It can smoothen your hair and add a little bounce to it, and at the same time it really leaves your hair very soft and natural and effortless looking. So flat iron is more for a sleeker look. Basically it reflects light and therefore makes your hair look shiny, and it can be used for a very sleek look, or you could kick the ends to add a little bit of curl to it. You can even use it just on the surface to refresh your hair and make it look more polished. Magic Curl is one of my favorite tools. Very easy to use, can be used to curl the ends or your entire hair. It's amazing for a beach wave look. I have asked Sara कि थोड़ा सा वो अपना ये very messy bun, man bun type का बनाती हैं at work, and it looks really pretty in the summer especially. बिल्कुल messy सा होता है, especially if your hair is not recently washed, so it's a very good look to have. और बिल्कुल casually बनाया, basically आपने ऊपर उसको twist करके and then you just scrunchie लगा के और आपने एक उसको clip लगा के और hide कर दिया. If you like to frame your face, you can, pull baby hair or little,
just make it more natural,
softer. You can pull some hair. You can even pull out your fringe if you like. Cleanse, tone, and after that we will start with the eyebrows. Using a soap and mascara spoolie, we'll just brush it up to make it look a little bushy. Using a brown pencil, we'll fill in wherever the shape needs to be filled, and then we'll just blend it away using a Q-tip. Using the same pencil at the corner of your eyes in a dotted motion will just enhance your eye shape. I will use the lash curler to curl the lashes naturally. You can master this tool with a little bit of practice. Just make sure you don't pinch any skin in it. Mascara is applied at the base of the lashes so it doesn't look too overdone. We will also enhance the lip shape using a very nude pencil, and then we'll blend it in so that it just looks like it's your own lip shape and not like a fake outline. Zero Makeup is my favorite all-in-one face perfecting palette. It has everything you need in one little box. A concealer, foundation, blush on, lip tint, and a translucent powder. So I hope you guys enjoyed our pro tricks and are going to use them at home and look great working from home. And जो आप अपनी हमें तस्वीरें भेजें और अपनी looks भेजें, and we promise you the winner and the best images will get a free year supply of Tresemme shampoo and conditioner and of Zero Makeup.